Question number 7, Fletcher Tabuteau.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. To the Minister, what reports has he received on substandard building products being imported into New Zealand?
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Amy Adams.
On behalf of the Minister of Building and Housing, there have been some reports of problems with products, but they relate to both locally manufactured and imported products. The Government has and is tightening the standards and acceptable solutions in key areas like steel mesh, insulation, glass balustrading to improve quality and performance. The advice from the building consent authorities is that while the scale of building activities is booming, the proportion of quality problems is no greater than historical norms.
Supplementary question, Fletcher Tabuteau.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. What have those reports specifically said about leaky pipes or leaky plumbing being used in the construction of New Zealand homes?
Excellent question. The Honourable Amy Adams.
Mr Speaker, answering on behalf of the Minister of Building and Housing, my understanding is that MB did conduct an inquiry in response to complaints that have been made and found no systemic issues with the plumbing fixtures that were investigated.
Supplementary.
Supplementary question, Fletcher Tabuteau.
Thank you, sir. Will the Minister acknowledge that, given the warning from the Master Plumbers Association, action must be taken now in order to prevent another leaky homes scenario?
The Honourable Amy Adams.
Well, answering on behalf of the Minister of Building and Housing, we are certainly aware that there have been a number of local manufacturers who are concerned about the fact that we've removed the tariffs on imported products because we do want to see the cost of building coming down, which is part of the reason why the building sector is booming. But of course it's important that the quality of the products remain high, and we are confident that we have a comprehensive system from the suppliers to the retailers to the building code to MB certification to ComCom to ensure that that remains the case.
Supplementary, sir. Supplementary, sir.
Supplementary question, Fletcher Tabuteau.
Thank you. Does the Minister think a comprehensive system might actually include a watermark standard for plumbing products similar to that of Australia in order to help protect Kiwi homeowners from another leaky homes disaster?
That's right.
The Honourable Amy Adams.
On behalf of the Minister of Building and Housing, well, there are a number of product certification schemes that are available or in place, but our system relies on the fact that the Building Act requires that before any product can be used on site, it has to meet the standards set out in the Building Act. Suppliers have to ensure that all products are properly labelled as being fit for purpose, and there is a comprehensive regime to ensure that that occurs.
Order. Question number 8,